Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. First, we need to search for SQL Server Management Studio and go to the Microsoft official link. We need to scroll down and click download SSMS 21, and here we need to install the Visual Studio installer. So here is the pop-up. You may install all the extra features or choose whatever you need, or you can just install as is. I will select all of them, and we need to press install. Okay, and once the installation is complete, you can click here launch. So here we need to go into command prompt, and here you can type SQL LocalDB info, and we see we have pre-install LocalDB. So to connect, you can type localdb / and the name, and here it should connect to the database. Okay, if for whatever reason you don't have this localdb, you can type SQL localdb create, and the server name, let's say local, and here you can see that you have two locals db, and to connect to the other one you just need to type localdb / local. So you have a new server right here. Let's disconnect this one so you can see it's a new server.